Hi there, I'm Chris for Tippy Gaming, and today we're going to take a look at a booster for The Walking Dead All-Out War by Mantic Games. Now we're going to take a look at Heath. So let's get then a couple of Call to Arms cards here. We have Spencer and Heath. So they are both part of the Alexandria faction, which is what that symbol is there. So the All-Out War cards, Heath has the Atlanta faction there, rather than the Alexandria faction like the Call to Arms one. So you can use different versions of Rick, and you still get the team bonuses and things. Then we have Spencer Monroe. Well, we've got take a look at Spencer here. Red melee, 2 red shoot, 2 red defense. Medium nerve, 5 health, 36 points. Is pretty decent for having some bodies on. Duplicious. When Spencer is targeted by a ranged attack, roll a black dice on a shield. Choose a friendly model in his kill zone to take the attack on his behalf, even if he is not in range or line of sight. Look after number 1. When a friendly model in Spencer's kill zone is wounded by an enemy attack, Spencer may immediately move up to 2 inches, treated as an out of sequence sneak. This move may not be used to engage an enemy. If Spencer is engaged, ignore this rule. So just basically he's a little sneak. So that's what you've got him for there. Then we have Heath. 2 melee, red, 1 shoot white, 1 defense white. Medium nerve, 40 points, 5 health. Good neighbour. If a friendly model within Heath's kill zone is wounded by an enemy attack, both Heath and that model add a white dice to their defense for the remainder of that turn. Resource Gatherer. Heath does not need to use an action to search, provided he is in contact with a supply counter and not engaged, and no unengaged model enemies are in contact with the counter. So he's handy for your supply run missions there. Get him in, and you don't need to worry about actions to search. 3 items. You've got the knapsack, the rope, and the balisong, butterfly knife. All very low cost items. To take all 3, it's costing you 10 points, so quite handy there. Rope, discard this card to ignore a failed climb roll to reach an elevated position. So once you're playing bigger games against people using the All-Out War rules, which is pretty much what I do if I'm playing against people, getting your terrain in, you can get the higher ground and start making use of some rifles with that. Okay, what we've got. So we've got Spencer here with an assault rifle. So in there, get some firepower on the table. And then we have Heath here. He's got their rope in one hand, pistol in the other, and then his head, obviously, to sit on his neck. Then you've got the bases for both of those models as well.